It looks like it's still missing a couple of body parts, doesn't it? This one's had a lot of repairs. Both of these mounts, there, there, and there. I hope it holds up. Here's another semi-repaired piece. Got a patch job over here. A cracked mount. It's not broken all the way through. And kind of a major disappointment on the front. Those are scratches, darn it. And I'm not sure what's going on with these extra holes here. Got it on both sides. It's quite strange. Alright, I need to move the throttle cables up to here. I think somebody mentioned that on my channel there in the comments. It needs to come through here because of interference trying to get this upper fairing on. Oops. I just rerouted the throttle cables from down here. They couldn't be down here because the fairing hits them, to up here, and it clears. And I suspect I'm going to have my challenges getting this thing to fit around the headlight right, because there's a nice crack here and a bend in the metal bracket. This one's nice and straight. The headlight alignment doesn't look too bad. Got a little bit of a gap here and none here, so I may have to tweak that bracket, the birdcage bracket, a little bit. Before I took this bike apart and had that birdcage powder coated, I adjusted it for the original part that was on here. So I may have to tweak it a little bit for this one. So that's the good news, I think. The bad news is I need to take this thing off because this white and red overspray in here looks horrible. So I'm going to take it off and tape it off and paint it black in there. Before I take that nose fairing off, I thought I would test fit this windshield, and actually wanted to see if I have any more surprises in store, and it looks like I do. This thing really needs to be buffed out. It's got some significant scratches here. I think I can correct that. I have no idea why they put the extra hole. They must have had something mounted here. They have that on both sides. I don't know what they were doing. I don't know. Might try another one. I have an aftermarket one. This thing is all shiny and new, but I sure would like to take that sticker off. Will it fit? I don't know about this. See the big gap there? What do I have to do? Pull the fairing part way out? This thing is a considerably different shape. That is a significant difference. I don't know what the hell is going on today. I'm not having very good luck with this bodywork at all. I think it may be time to hang it up for today and pick it up another day. I'm going to take some 400 grit to all of this overspray in here, then tape it off. Just test fitting this trim I bought. Looks like it might work if it'll take the bends. Alright, I'm going to put a spray bomb on this thing. I don't feel like getting my whole spray rig out. I think I have it taped off. If I have enough paint, I'm going to repaint this area. Next up, I need to put some of this stuff in here and in here. I've got heat shield material up under there. It's really hard to see. I'm trying to shine light in there. I actually feel pretty good about that, but I'm not feeling so good about the heat shield material that I put inside here. Hopefully the combination of the heat wrap on the pipes and the heat shield material on the fairing, I won't get any warpage on this part. I'll just have to keep an eye on it. It was a beautiful sunny day. It's not so much anymore, but I did get this thing to sit out in the sun for a little bit to cure. So I think I'm going to go de-tape it, see how it looks. That's going to look a whole lot better than it looked before. I did get some paint up here. Need to let this cure for a while and I can put it on. In the meantime, I guess the next project is trying to clean this thing up.